Already that we have received a vindication from the topmost office in the country. The Office of the Controller Budget has today agreed with whatever we have been telling our colleagues and telling the Meru people. When the governor was elected, she got direct work. She has not been bothered by the shenanigans going on in Meru. She has ignored the political noise, and that's why in the control of budget, the report vindicates us, and she got an 89 score, which of course is an A. Let me also take the opportunity to congratulate the support system the governor has in our office, from the CECs to the chief officers. It has not taken one individual to deliver the results. It has taken the whole team to deliver the spectacular results, because we have witnessed these same CECs have been impeached twice. Levels of frustration cannot be overstated in this press conference, but I wish to commend the whole team for holding the governor, for standing strong and believing in the manifesto of the governor, making Meru happy and delivering the results. Thank you.